So when we pack for a trip, we try to figure out what we're going to take with us. Normally it's the same stuff, but when I'm loading the truck bed, I want to put stuff that we're not going to hardly use way in the back, so I'm not having to worry about getting to it. Inevitably, I need something in the back, and 9 times out of 10, it's a tool, because I put all the tools in the very back. I put the tools in the back, I put the gas in the back, and I put our 3-ton jack in the back. That I never use. Anyway, so I'm always getting back there, always getting tools. I found a solution on Amazon. Woo! My favorite place to shop. And it was kind of pricey. And I thought, well, let me just get one to see. So I ordered one, loved it so much. 2 days later, I ordered a second one, because there's a left side and a right side. And I'm going to show you what it is. It is a truck bed tool storage box. There's a gazillion manufacturer, because they're all made by the same company in China. They just relabel it. This one's called Swing Case. They were $200 a piece on Amazon. They weren't cheap, so I was very skeptical about ordering one. There's a left side and a right side, so if in fact you do order one, you got to specify which side. There are websites, well, sellers on Amazon, that will tell you it's $200 for two, and you get it and you only get one. So many people have complained about this particular seller. Make sure you only buy one at a time. There's no resellers on there that I found that actually sell 2 at a time. You have to order each one individually. So anyway, they've got a locking device up here. I never use that because my truck bed's always locked. It's nice to have, I'll never use it. As far as the assembly, I don't know if you can see it, I'll probably zoom in for you. It comes with all the hardware. You have to specify which truck you have. It comes with all the hardware, mounts up in a matter of minutes. But because of these two, I have completely eliminated having any other tools. As a matter of fact, I organized it to one side I have my tools. The other side mainly is for first aid stuff, flares, emergency stuff, tire repair kits, stuff like that, flashlights. I try to keep them separated because I have so much room. So as you can see, they pull right out. They're easy to access. Even with a tonneau cover on, they're easy to access. I'm going to take the contents of one, and if I have enough room, I might take them both out. And I'm going to lay it out here just to show you how much stuff you can put in here. Be right back. So as I suspected, this is just from one. Now mind you, that thing was not full. And I want to say that it holds up to 100 pounds capacity maybe. It's a lot. It's more than you'll ever need. But you see the various tools I have. I mean, I even have a PEX repair kit. I have tire repair, all kinds of tools, WD-40, ratchet set. I've got all kinds of stuff. I mean, this is just one bin. Sorry if you can't see me. This is only one bin. The other one still has a lot of stuff into it. So anyway, I just have to say that this solution worked for me. It was worth every cent. It gives me a peace of mind that if we're on the side of the road and I got to get something real quick and easy, I can just open up this. I don't have to flip anything back. I don't have to dig way back in there to get the tire repair kit. It's all right up in front. And if you look, it only takes up, I believe it's 5 inches. I don't know if you can see it in the video. It only takes up about 5 inches of your entry area here. Still leaves a lot of room. I hope this video was somewhat helpful for you. It may create a solution for you. It did for me. Worth the price. Definitely worth the price. Oh, and as a bonus, each one of those has 2 cup holders up on top. Whoa, what a deal. That makes it worth it. Anyway, again, thank you for taking the time to watch my tow vehicle tech series. I got a lot more coming. I need some ideas from you guys. If you can put something in the comments, something that you've done or something you want to see done, I'll do it. I love doing it. Anyway, thanks for being our guest. See ya.